There's a quick way to extrude, no button required. Select your edge or face, grab the Move tool, hold Shift, and drag. That single shortcut extrudes and moves in one motion. The same result as clicking the extrude, just faster once it's muscle memory. You can also shift drag with the scale tool for an insert extrude. This method is great for blocking in shapes fast, but it's not as precise as typing exact values into the extrude tool. Turning on Step Snap locks your extrude to consistent increments, handy for keeping blockouts uniform. Practice this a few times until it feels automatic. It'll speed up your entire modeling workflow.